Our Student Hub Live skills workshops are held in the same online rooms as OU tutorials. These extracurricular, non-modular workshops offer an hour of structured skill development, and we focus on a different aspect of study in each session. We begin with some information about the subject, and then we invite you to apply that to your own learning through anonymous polls, text boxes, and also in the chat box. We work through some prepared examples as a group, and you can chat to each other and ask questions while we go through those. And then you'll break into smaller groups to give you an opportunity to share your ideas with other students and hear about the different ways people plan to apply their new skills to their study. You can find our workshop outlines on our website, and you can catch up on recordings of the previous sessions there too. Coming along in person is ideal though, so let me fill you in on how the sessions work and what to expect. The Adobe Connect room opens 15 minutes before the session starts to allow you to log in and familiarise yourself with the setup. It's also a good opportunity to adjust your audio levels. And we begin sessions promptly, and there's a lot to cover, often with a lot of people attending. You don't need any special equipment, and you can access the room from any device, including a mobile phone. You can take part as little or as fully as you'd like to, but I will say that the more you put in, the more you'll get out. Some people just prefer to listen, and others like to chat, but there's no pressure to interact if you don't want to. You don't need to prepare anything in advance, and it's handy to have a pen and paper there with you too. Student Hub Live is for all students at any level, and we offer generic, not module-specific advice. And many students say that, as well as the skills we teach, mixing with other students and academics from different disciplines is valuable because they get a chance to experience new perspectives and different ways of looking at things. It can be so reassuring to find out that you aren't the only one with a question about something and that others are experiencing things in the same way you are. Space is limited in the skills workshops, so you'll need to reserve your spot via Eventbrite. If you can't make it, please cancel your ticket though, so that we can offer it to someone else on our waiting list. Visit our website to find out more, and I hope you can join me at one of our sessions soon.